What is pronoun antecedent agreement? First, let's give a definition of each of those two terms. A pronoun is a word that refers to a noun, such as her or their. And an antecedent? Let's break that word down. The prefix ante means before. Antebellum refers to the period in American history before the Civil War. So, the antecedent is that which comes before the pronoun. In this case, the noun. Pronoun antecedent agreement is the idea that a pronoun must agree in number and person with the noun to which it refers. For example, when people travel outside the US, they need to obtain a passport. The issue of pronoun antecedent agreement has recently become a point of controversy, as there was some debate about whether to acknowledge a change already occurring naturally in the language. The use of they or them to refer to one person. Many who identify as non-binary and gender non-conforming use they and them as their pronouns. If you'd like to learn more about this topic, follow the link in the description below. For now, let's return to pronoun antecedent agreement. This video will follow the version of pronoun antecedent agreement that acknowledges the existence of non-binary people and recognizes their humanity. Therefore, it is not incorrect to say, if Jamie comes to the potluck, they should bring a side dish, so long as Jamie's pronouns are they and them, and not exclusively he, him, or she, her. What would be incorrect would be to say, when people travel outside the US, he needs to obtain a passport. Here, while we maintained the third person, we assigned a different number to the pronoun than is used by the antecedent. When people travel outside the US, they need to obtain a passport. Now we have pronoun antecedent agreement. Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.